Welcome back. We're here this afternoon with animal trainer Kim Sykes of Canine Manners and More to talk about behavior problems or any issues you might have been struggling with when it comes to your dog. Griffin is back too, and my shoes must smell really good because
they do.
He keeps sniffing them. All right, Kim, welcome back. Our first question is from Brandon. Brandon says, my spouse recently passed away and my 9-year-old Golden seems to be taking it pretty hard. He looks visibly sad and mopes around the house. How can I help him out?
You know, that's a hard one. Whenever there's a loss in the family, whether it be a person or another pet, dogs go through grief just like, you know, we humans do. And it's one of those things that sometimes you can honor that by allowing them to sleep with a piece of clothing or putting that into a dog bed or a protector so that they can have that to do that and comfort them and find them things that they enjoy doing with that person, and then trying to do that with you as well.
And is it like a person where it takes a little bit of time just to kind of go back to normal?
It does. Okay. It does. And it's, you know, it's like people, dogs and cats will mourn in their own time. You know, it takes what it takes until they find, you know, other releases and other things. And you can always talk to your veterinarian. You know, like some people and some animals needs a little bit of extra help through pharmaceuticals. So.
Okay. All right, our second question is from Adam. Adam says, I have a 6-year-old dog. Every time he hears the doorbell or the garage door, he starts barking. Is he too old, though, to be trained when it comes to barking?
So that door manners and the door barking, you know, I like my dogs to bark a time or two for that barking to alert, hey, somebody's here. But I also want to desensitize my dog to it. So I will, you know, most of the phones have where you can play the doorbell, or you can record your own doorbell, and you can you know, just kind of play it at a low volume, and I associate that with treats. So I'll play the doorbell noise and drop some treats, so it becomes more of a way for them to look back to me versus going to the door and charging.
And they get a nice benefit with
they
the
do
treats.
And we create that positive emotional association. Yeah.
All right, our final question is from Patrick. Patrick writes, when I'm walking my dog in the park, he gets jealous anytime I show affection to other dogs. How can I stop this?
You know, it's a hard thing because just like with people, they say, you are my person, and I get a little bit jealous, and they want all of the attention. Oftentimes dogs, it's a lot about me. So again, I will create a positive association with another dog, and maybe, you know, like Griffin enjoys visiting with some people, and I will give them treats and he can visit with them while I'm visiting with another dog. So, you know, it's one of those things. Again, we're creating that positive association. Some dogs don't like strange dogs. They have a very narrow field of friends that they enjoy.
Okay, but it's good to know that despite the age that they can kind of relearn some of these things.
They can, yes.
Okay. Well, Kim, thank you so much. We appreciate your time and for bringing Griffin as well. If you have a question for Kim, Mary, or anyone from Canine Manners about training your dog, just send us an email at noonshow@griffin.news.